What is this? So someone sent me a whale shark. Whale shark? Let's open this. So let's see what kind of whale shark is this. Wow, so this is another IEM from TRN. This IEM is very high quality. I think the material is made of metal and it has a crystal on it. This also comes with large storage box that is waterproof. Your IEM is very safe here. Wow, did you see that? So this is the silver plated wire and it is very high quality too. And this is adjustable. It is easy to assemble and look at that. It is shining, shimmering, splendid. This also comes with these accessories that you can enjoy in every use. And this whale shark emphasizes the low frequencies, the texture and thickness of the vocals, and 3D high frequency instruments. So this is all set. So let's put it in your ear like this. So if you want a premium high quality sound, grab your own whale shark now.